Turn right in Town Street.
This is not Town Street.
What do you call this one?
This is Mamzar.
Mamzar is there.
No, this street is Mamzar, you see.
No, this is Town.
Okay.
This is Town Street.
Okay, you see the
Okay.
small board.
Yes.
This new now.
Hi guys. Punta na naman tayo sa home service. I've been doing this one every day. Minsan kumikita rin naman, minsan hindi. So medyo malamig ngayon. Kaya naka-jacket tayo. Feeling nasa Europe tayo ngayon. It has been very mainit naman yung araw, pero yung yung simoy ng hangin, it is very cold. A kind of like somewhere else in Europe. Para siyang nag-yellow. Feeling lang naman. Pero malamig talaga. It's around 3:35 p.m. It is very cold. Pero kung nasa taxi ka, you won't feel cold kasi yung lower lang yung cold niya. Pero pag nasa labas ka, yung hangin, it's very cold. Kaya marami nagkakaroon ng pneumonia. Okay. Turn right in Mamzar Street. Right?
Yes.
Okay. And second roundabout, turn left
Yes.
in Mamzar Street.
Yes.
Mamzar Corniche pala.
Yes.
Okay. I am now making a Google map.
Yeah. Very good. This average line.
Yes. This is the first roundabout.
Yeah.
This is Taon, right?
Yes.
Okay. The second one is Mamzar Corniche.
Yes.
Very good. Turn left in Mamzar Street.
Yes. After?
Go straight. Ito lang bubuhay ng OFW, guys. We are very lahat ng mga bagay lagi nating pinag-iingatan, pinag-iisipan. So laban lang, guys. 'Di ba? This is our life being an OFW. Ito may client pa ako doon sa salon, pero kailangan talaga puntahan kasi naka-appointment to hindi siya pwedeng hindi puntahan. Every day to siya ginagawa. See you guys in my another videos. Take good care.